Experiencing no service or slow data speeds on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max with Verizon? You're not alone. These issues often stem from 5G band incompatibilities or software bugs specific to Verizon's network. First, ensure you're in an area with adequate 5G coverage. If coverage isn't the issue, try these quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Next, check for a carrier settings update in Settings General About Carrier. Finally, use Verizon's diagnostic tools in the My Verizon app to detect any network issues. If these steps don't resolve the problem, proceed to the next section for more advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This clears Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and VPN configurations and can often resolve connectivity glitches. For eSIM problems, which can manifest as activation errors or no service, a factory reset is sometimes necessary, but proceed with caution as this can lead to temporary outages. Before a factory reset, contact Verizon support for guidance. They may recommend reinstalling your carrier profile or other specific steps. If the eSIM is corrupted, Apple's guided reset available on support.apple.com can help. Remember, ensure you're in a strong LTE area during eSIM reactivation. Also confirm that you've updated to iOS 18.1 or later, as this contains crucial 5G fixes specifically for Verizon.